The historic Swiss brand Breguet remains one of our favorite high-end watchmakers. This time we will talk about the Breguet Marine Chronograph 5527, a very modern mechanical wristwatch with an aesthetic and decorative spirit that offers a more sporty and dynamic look. Before we dig deep, historically Breguet has been supplying the French Navy from Abraham Louis Breguet time, when appointed in 1815 official chronometer maker for the Royal French Navy. The manufacturer kept on supplying the French Navy on commissions basis until the 1960s. This Marine Chronograph 5527 is aesthetically pleasing in the eye, with a chronograph complication and the new patterns and symbols. This timepiece is undeniably Breguet, as you can see with the flooded case and beautiful crafted guilloche dial. The Breguet signature codes have been revisited in a way to provide the watch with a contemporary look. This integration of symbolic tribute to more than 2 centuries of watchmaking in a modern casing makes this marine timepiece is nothing but usual in the high-end sports chronograph. As its name suggests, this model features several elements of the maritime environment in high details, from the wave-shaped pushers, the naval flag at the tip of the second hand, the wave guilloche pattern, to the skeletonized rotor and buckle in the shape of a boat wheel. An aperture date, a 12-hour chronograph with 3 subdials, running seconds at 9 o'clock, 30-minute register at 3, and 12-hour register at 6 o'clock, offer a practical feature and set the final touch to this very sporty timepiece. The new Breguet Marine Chronograph 5527 is water resistant to 100 meters and is fitted with a display case back that allows for full view of the 28-jewel automatic movement caliber 582QA with power reserve of 48 hours while beating at the frequency of 28,800 VPH. Sporting a white gold case measuring 42.3 mm in diameter, the case design is quite interesting. You will feel the sporty 70s vibe with the integrated lugs. Attached to the Marine Chronograph 5527 watch is either a rubber or alligator strap with deploying clasps to match your outfit on every occasion, and it feels very comfortable on the wrist. If you are looking for a sophisticated sports chronograph watch, Breguet Marine Chronograph 5527 is the one to get. Give us your thoughts in the comment below, and you can experience this timepiece yourself at the Time Place boutique. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.